take her for a quick little drive. And you saw that I didn't know how to work a turn signal, so let's hope I can do a test drive in it. And I'm doing it one-handed. So it shifted good from first to second. Looks like the speedometer, attack, all that stuff works. That's the third. Really can't get much faster where I'm at, but they were using it. Only reason they're selling the truck is it's an over-the-road spec truck. It runs good, and they do oil field work, and they just don't want to put the truck in the oil field. They don't have to. It was one they used to haul flatbeds and things like that, and really don't want to put it out there in the mud and the muck. So anyway, it runs good. It seems like a fairly nice truck. Again, the chicken wing for the front is in the sleeper. So reverse works good. And then split from high to low, and then individual gears split. So everything seems to work. I don't think there'd be an issue jumping in this truck and driving it anywhere you need to drive it to, from what I can see in the short time that I was doing the inspection here. So if you have any questions, feel free to call me.